My name is Kevin McHenry. I'm with International Cutting Die. International Cutting Die was just acquired by Maxcess International this past September. International Cutting Die manufactured high-speed converting solutions for the nonwovens industry. We specialize in very hard materials such as powdered metal and tungsten carbide. So today I want to take you through some of our latest technology. In front of me here is a high-speed cutting solution for a feminine hygiene product. System here, we have a tungsten carbide die, tool steel anvil roll. We have a bounce detection system, which is basically a laser measuring system that will detect any separation between the die and the anvil at all, which is usually caused by a loose core or a misaligned core that could potentially damage. In this case here, it measures, it retracts the die roll, gets it out of the way so that there's no rebounding, no bouncing that's going to create further damage. Let's come on in. I'll show you how this thing works. As you can see, our system's running now at about 900 products a minute. And as I mentioned before, a loose core or misaligned core that goes through this die could potentially bounce the die and damage it catastrophically. So our bounce detection system is a laser system which will measure any separation between the die and the anvil and retract the top roll off of the die, preventing any further damage. As right now, Lucas is going to demonstrate for you, he's going to simulate a core going through by passing a piece of paper through the bearer. You can see the top roll was retracted. That happened in less than a quarter of a second. So that was our bounce detection system. And again, what this does for the customer, it gives them a secure feeling that they're not going to bounce a die and break a die just because a loose core comes through the machine. So right now, let's go over and let's take a look at our patented anti-bounce system. This is our integrated trim removal system. The nice part about this is that the openings are modular, so we can change the size of the openings depending on the size of your cut, and also bring it in real close to the nip opening. So as soon as the trim is cut, it's captured and taken away. This is our adult pull-up cutting station. Got a carbide cutting die on the top, tool steel anvil roll on the bottom, our patented anti-bounce pressure system on the top, which we have relocated from the ends and brought it in adjacent to the cut, virtually changing this from a wide web application to narrow web performance. It also allows us to go with a one-up design, which is a much more economic alternative to the customer. This station will yield over 100 million cuts before requiring resharpening, and will cut over 500 products a minute.
In addition to anti-bounce and bounce detection, we also do bonding of all kinds. Thermal bonding, pressure bonding, ultrasonic bonding, and our newest technology, elastic entrapment bonding. We're excited about joining with Maxcess International to allow us to service our existing customers better and also our new customers.